Hey loves, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So it is currently 8:30 and I'm going to Entebbe airport. I'm going to pick my sister, my best friend. She's coming back from UK after 2 years and I missed her. So this is my outfit. I'm just trying to be simple. I'm just putting on this top from Premium Glam. They're on Instagram. It has an X behind, and then this ripped jean, yeah, from town. I don't remember the shop, but yeah, that's how you're going to be. And this top has got this t-shirt. Is it a shirt? No, it has got this shirt with short sleeves. And yeah, I'm going to just put it on if I feel, just in case I feel cold. Yeah, so that is it. I'm taking this bag. It has my purse, cards, and a few things. So let's go and meet our best friend. I can't wait. I'm excited. I know she's going to be tired, but I can't wait to see her.
It is very important to maintain your appearance as a woman as you continue to get older and to have a family. It's not to keep up with the rest of the world. It's not for the rest of the world to see you looking young forever. No. It's for you. Take care of yourself. The way you take care of your kids, the way you take care of your husband, the way you take care of your career. Life starts to make you feel like you have to put yourself last. And I think that maintaining your appearance is not for the rest of the world. It's very much for yourself.
Very nice. Now this is a long journey for me to walk. Anyway.
In my mind, I am looking for the melody.
To check in.
Searching for the rhythm we go totally. And in my soul, I am waiting for the prophecy. I know it's coming soon. I depart. My mind don't they worry for my cheddar. I know they slow down. Mama told me I don't blow like I be foo-foo.
To report. We will still use the power to report in the course. You tell me what is going to happen next. Fire. The spiritual fire or the the fire from
Nobody knows tomorrow.
So this is day 2 of our training, and it's time for breakfast. People are getting breakfast and mine is here. I'm at the training, but I'm in the most quiet, cool place for 3 days. The training is for 3 days before we travel, but I love it. You myself, I'm in the most quiet, good environment. I love quiet. Have some flu, but this is how I look like. I hope you can see me. I'm surrounded with greenery, forest, trees, and all that, and I'm with some good people out here. So this is day 2, and I've not been vlogging because yeah, I've been studying. So yeah, today is day 2, tomorrow is the last day, and then I'll be updating you. So we are done with the second session. We're going for lunch, and this is how the place looks like.
Stay with me tonight. I go there, remember. You go always stay in my mind.
Can you guys believe I've spent, I think, 4 days without vlogging? Today is Thursday. I stopped vlogging on Monday, and guess what? I've been studying. I've been in training, I've been having papers, and yeah, I couldn't vlog. I wake up very early, I leave home very early in the morning, I come back late when I'm tired, and but the training ends tomorrow. I'll be telling you about it with time, but I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm going to work on this hair. It's inching. Actually, I've washed it. It's literally 5 days okuva this fever, and I've just decided to wash it because why not? So I'm going to apply some, how is it called? Cream and all that, and then anti-itching cream and sleep because tomorrow it's going to be a long day. Anyway, bye. Hey loves, good morning. So today is day 3. Today is day 3 of the training. This is the last day, and yeah, it is currently morning and I'm not feeling so well, but we have to push through. I wanted to show you my outfit. I'm putting on this top from Premium Glam, and then these pants, and I show you, and these pants too. I did not take an outfit check when I was coming from home. Literally, I wasn't in a mood. But yeah, that is it. Let's see how it's going to go today, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm traveling. I might go to Shen. It's a long journey. It's even scaring me, but we shall see what to do. You guys, look at the sceneries of this place. This is my vibe. Trees, greenery, plantations. I really love it. Like, look at that. Let me just show you. It is really nice. It is a big place, and yeah.
Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you knew the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what.
Forgive my, I don't know, whatever the imperfections. Good evening, guys. Today is 22nd. It is a Saturday, and I'm going out. I'm going for a dinner. I'm going on a dinner, and I look so smart. So I'm going to change the camera and show you my outfit. I don't know whether you're going to see it well, but yeah, I also unplated. This is my outfit. This is the dress. I made it from Premium Glam. It looks nice. I think you will see it on the, yeah, when I reach there, because I'm rushing. And this is how it looks like. My room is really disorganized, but it looks so nice, like really nice. That is the close up. That is how it looks like. Yeah, so I'm going on my sister's dinner, her birthday dinner. Her birthday is on 27th, but she's not going to be around, so we are going to do a simple dinner with her and a few friends. So see you there.
Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you knew the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happened.
Every day I remind myself of how far I have come from. I look back and know it has never been so easy. My happiness matters to me more than anything.